gaining money through financial literacy or gaining money through our businesses, all to give it back to Gucci, Chanel, and Fendi and get the European family richer. Bro, like, this is the game. We have an opportunity to pull those same dollars together. The same money you would have wasted on a belt, but $700 or $1,000, you'll partner with or invest with a black person and complain about all the experience the whole time. But you would have blew that on a bottle in a club that you had never seen again the next day. A bottle of Henny for $400 is gonna kill your liver, but invest that with a black person and complain about it the whole next year of your life. Same money that you would have blew on a hair weave, on your loud bill, on $10 a day of Chickfila and fast food, that's $300 a month. But the Kathy family's rich. Kathy family who owns Chick-fil-A is wealthy. You spend more than them, you spend with your own people. But then spend it with your own people and complain about black restaurants the whole time. In a degrading way, not in an edifying way, and in a self-elevating way. This is the opportunity, the solution in real life.